Now, just as clarification, you should not be watching this until you attempt to do this yourself, or you had no clue what to do, and now you're just looking for help. So this is another example of a backyard type ecosystem. As you can tell over on the left side, I have a key. Red squares mean mammal, yellow, green, or whatever that color is. Blue circles are birds or fish. Yellow triangles are reptiles or insects, and the green rectangles are plants. So as you can see over here on our picture, we've got a few black bears, a few birds, a few reptiles, and a few plants. So number one, it says create a visual representation of an ecosystem community. Now this goes off of what we've already talked about with abiotic and biotic or factors in an ecosystem. So we want to make circles around them, kind of like you saw in our other presentation of what is an ecosystem. So I would say, let's go ahead and I want you to try to put around the black bear, classify them somehow. So which one of those things are we missing over on the left? So it appears that we are missing the mammals. So we're going to add squares to those. So there you go. I also circled it and said that is one population. Now, on your paper, you probably circled the other ones as well and said that those were also populations, which you should, because these are all populations of their own. Now, what do we do when we circle the whole thing? When we circle the whole thing, it should be called a community. Now, the community is all of the biotic factors in that ecosystem all put together. Now, the final thing down here, number 2, it says, please draw and color 3 non-living things for the physical environment. Okay? And I'm only going to do 1, and then I'm going to put a big circle around that. So the physical environment is all of the other things. Remember, the community and the population of organisms are all within the physical environment, which are all the abiotic factors. So there you go. There's a graphic representation again of a backyard ecosystem.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.